march on D, E, F. We start second finger, right hand on D note. So that's your D note. Okay, so and you're going to actually be using only the right hand. Okay, only right hand, only this hand, no left hand. So start with the second finger on D, and then make sure you just follow the notes. It goes like this: D, 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 E, 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 F, F, E, E, D, C, D, 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 F, E, D, C, D, 2, 3, 4. Let me play it a little bit slower and maybe counting a little bit better, okay? So again, you have to play 3 times your D notes, right? So notice that you have these first 2 notes, the quarter notes. Quarter notes, if you remember, is only 1 count. So you'll have to play it only for 1 beat. D, D, and then look at this one. So if you play this one, it will be like this: 1, 2. So D, D, okay? Now, but this one, it's a different looking note. You see, it's not filled in inside, so it makes it look different. And because this note is a half note. Half note needs 2 beats. When you play this note, you have to push it down like this, and in your head, you have to wait for 2 beats. So 1, 2. Okay, so if you play the first 3 notes, it will be 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay, see? The third note was longer. Okay, the same thing happens in the next measure. The next measure starts with the third finger on E right here, and again the same pattern of the rhythm: 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay, so hold your finger down, don't take it off until you're done counting. The next measure goes just normal quarter notes. So one note gets 1 count. So you would go like this: F, F, E, E, right? So 1, 1, 1, 1, okay? And then the next measure, again like the first one, right? The same counting. You have 1 beat here, 1 beat here, and then 2 beats here. So it will go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hold that D note for 2 counts. When they say 3, 4, that's what makes it 4. Okay, so and then the same thing is going to happen in the second line. Starts the same way as the beginning. Okay, the same way as the beginning. Now the notes will be a little bit different, but the count will be the same in this measure. The notes will move down. Okay, and the last note, it's a whole note. See, it doesn't have any stem next, attached to this note. So this note is the longest note you can get. It has all 4 counts. It means when you're playing that D note, you'll have to, in your head, you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and only then you take your hand off the keys. Okay, so let me play it one more time from the beginning, and I'll count: 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy practicing.